Help! Help! Stepsister! Help!
What happened, step bro?
I was taking out the clothes from the washing machine and now I'm stuck. Oh no, I've seen videos like this. So, before this video starts, I want to thank today's sponsor, which is Skinport. Now, if you don't know what Skinport is, it's a CSGO marketplace, meaning that you can buy and sell your skins for real money. They've got almost 600,000 skins listed, so there's quite the variety to choose from. And on Trustpilot, Skinport has a 4.9 rating, which is the highest of any skin marketplace. And they've got reviews such as everything is fast, safe, and reliable, everything is fast. And if you're buying skins, it's super easy to buy. You just add to cart and pay for it. And if you're selling skins and they happen to be over $1,000, then the selling fee is only 6%, which is very nice. And if you're buying skins, for example, buying a tiger tooth on the Steam market, it would have been almost 500 euro. Meanwhile, on Skinport, the cheapest one listed right now is only 314. That's a difference of almost 200 euro. So whether you're buying or selling skins, then please use the link in the description. And thank you, Skinport, for sponsoring this video. And now, let's get to the case opening. Hello, guys! Now, I am sat here with my sister. I was gonna say lovely sister, but there's nothing lovely about her. And we are going to be opening cases, 250 fracture cases. Hopefully, we are going to get the skeleton blue gem, which is worth way above $100,000.
Yes, and we agreed if we open knife, it's mine.
No. So many cases! God damn! 250 cases and 250 keys. I had to clear out my whole inventory for this. Also featuring my lovely new haircut. As the kids would say, absolutely bussin'. Are you ready, stepsister?
I'm very ready.
This is probably the most cringe video I've ever made, because usually I make videos with my dad, or, you know, sometimes my friends, but those are people who are funny.
And that you like.
Yes. You start.
I start.
Wow, crazy.
Knife.
The real reason I brought Linda on the show is because Linda is the only person that I know I've seen with my own eyes open a knife from only one case. And that is very lucky, so I'm trying to leech off that luck today and hopefully get something nice from these cases. Already I'm feeling like I'm on a family road trip with a family. Like, it's gonna be way too long in a cramped space with people you don't really like. Fuck. How can you open one glove from one case and I open 4 blues from 4 cases?
But you got a good, the AK ones, you know, the trade-off.
Which one?
The case hardened.
No, which one of the people watching this video do you think give a fuck? God damn! 250 cases. There's no chance we don't get something good, right?
We have to.
We can also get... Oh!
Aww. See? You only get blue.
Oh, okay, okay. Let's see. If you don't get the blue, I open all the rest of the cases.
Okay.
Yeah?
Yeah.
You have an 80% chance of failure now, and you got baited.
No, so close to factory.
Fucking skämtar. What the fuck?
70!
That's like literally a knife.
A sheet knife.
I fucking hate you. Dude, I paid for this. How is this fair? And now you open just poo. Oh, you... So a lot of people are wondering, they've been asking, they're like, oh, Anomaly, how are you and Linda sisters? Because you don't look the same. It's really tough on the family and the parents when one of the siblings is far underachieving and ugly. Meanwhile, the other one... Aha! Ay! Even Pepe hates you. Pepe!
Harder.
Oh! Look, he's dabbing. Oh! Oh. I swear to God, if the best thing we get is your stupid fucking Deagle print stream, I'm gonna be actually mad. Haha, you look, it's me! Take 9 brother, and look, this is me.
Let me open again. Maybe the luck is back.
Is this gonna be something good?
Yeah. Yeah. Better.
How? In the future, I'm just gonna have you open cases on my computer, and then afterwards, I record the footage, the camera, and then I'm like, whoa, guys, look at that! Skin freak moment. Yo, yeah! Every time I make a fucking case opening video, I always underestimate how long time it takes to open the cases.
Didn't you open cases for 24 hours?
Yes.
How many cases did you open then?
6. You're still holding the phone. Asperger. Okay, I'm gonna open now.
Okay.
Let's quick roll some. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Well, that was an absolute disappointment. That's what the parents said when you were born.
You keep the mouse so far away.
Hey! There we go. I opened. Is it better? No, it's
No.
not. Still. What the fuck? Why so many prints, Stream?
One of the Anubis.
This is way better than the Anubis.
Is it?
Yeah, way better. Dumb bitch, don't know
Sorry.
skins. Poser gamer. This is Linda. You put your headset like this.
No one cared who I was till I put on the mask.
You go on Instagram. Aha! Hashtag gaming. Hashtag racer. Death adder. Hashtag nerd.
No.
Why are all girls like that, Linda? Now you have to stand trial like Amber Heard. Why did you shit on the bed? Why do girl gamers do that?
They want to look cool and different, maybe.
Yeah,
like
and
you.
you said they bite it. Aha! Ay! That's why I don't play basketball anymore.
What did you aim for?
The towers. Man, fuck the P250 cassette, dude.
Here, let me.
Linda, I will fucking... I can't say what I'm gonna do, because then Mojo's gonna make another diss track. You are the most annoying person to open cases with.
Why?
Because you're a woman. Here, you can have the headset for a little while now.
You make it smaller.
Ah, why has no woman said that to me?
Why are you going into Mirage?
I want to inspect it. What the fuck is this? What the fuck is this?
No, stop
Ah!
it! Fold it in.
Yeah, that's what I do when I pretend to be a lady. Linda,
Yes.
to make you feel at home.
You motherfucker!
Now you feel at home, Linda. Can you cook up an egg sandwich to me?
Take this back.
Nah, they're ruining my hair.
Ruining my hair. too.
Hashtag gaming. Look, he's holding on. I smell sweat.
Yes, please.
Damn, that's
No,
fucking
no.
crazy. Oh,
I told you! Why did you use deodorant?
oh. Oi! Oi, Star Trek! Linda, that's almost as rare as a knife. Ugh, I just know one of these days I'm just gonna fucking full-blown vomit. Oi, entombed! Old Rusty. Why do I know all of these skins? Do I have Asperger?
Yes.
Damn, unlike you, I've got nice and fit lips. You see, that was a floppy pussy joke, Linda.
Good to know that you have a good pussy.
Thank you. My pussy. It's me! LOL!
I can't do it. Where's the luck you used to have?
I'm just trying to go to my happy place now.
You've got the
Vogue! Glock Vogue!
You've been washed.
Glock Vogue!
Washed.
Oh! Did you see at the end there was a deagle print stream? 2 away. Come on!
Oh! No.
Fuck! Are you quick rolling?
2, yeah. This is such a scroll. Aye.
Fuck! If this is a PP... Oh, you were fucking
Ooh,
close. I would have
brother.
beaten the shit out of you and the monitor. Did you hear Amber Heard lost?
Well, she won one thing, right? Johnny Depp got like 3
I'm
other-
sorry, I didn't ask and I don't care.
This is torture.
I know. That's why I don't record videos with you often. Yeet!
Ooh.
Walla, oi, that's so cool, Vogue! I cannot believe it, oi!
Oi, oi, oi. He's cheering. Though.
Do you have autism? Ah! Oh, yeah! Even the last item was one. Holy fuck! What? Oh, why? Yellow. Wow! Another P2000. What a surprise! Oh, the P2000 Gnarled is literally the new Grotto. Man! Oh, yeah! Please, man, can we have something fun, good? Kame. Hame. Ha! Wow, Linda! Why is the English word end in Swedish also your fucking name? Oh, yeah! Yeah! I've never noticed it, by the way. The logo for the fracture case, look, it looks like a really close-up picture of a butthole. What the fuck?
What are you looking for? Oh!
Hey, Tooth Fairy! This is the only use I have for my speakers! Fuck! Come on! Fuck! I fuck! The music! Fuck! I've noticed my mental health is just declining through the process of these videos.
We still have a chance. Small one, like you, but a chance.
My mental health is just too deteriorated to even smile at that. Last case of the 250. So far we've opened 250 fracture cases. But alas, the only thing that's fractured is my fucking wallet.
Yeah.
Fuck! Look, how come we get red down here, then red just up here, and then just a sea of blues and nothing exciting at all? Well, that was fun. It really wasn't.